Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Yahoo Finance to Excel. This powerful integration allows you to bring a wealth of financial information, including stock prices and historical data, directly into your spreadsheets. You can then analyze this data, build custom dashboards, and track your investments with greater efficiency. We will cover simple, effective methods to get your financial data flowing seamlessly into Excel, saving you valuable time and effort. The primary method involves Excel's built-in Power Query, accessible via the Data tab. First, locate the financial data you need on Yahoo Finance, such as historical stock prices for a specific ticker. Copy the direct download link or the page URL. Then, in Excel, choose Get Data and from Web. Paste your copied URL into the dialog box. Excel will then connect to the web page and present the data for loading. Once the data is loaded, you can refine it using the Power Query editor. This tool allows you to remove unnecessary columns, filter out dividend rows, or adjust data types to suit your analysis. After cleaning, load the transformed data into your spreadsheet. A significant advantage is the ability to refresh this data with just one click, ensuring your Excel sheet always reflects the latest information from Yahoo Finance, providing up-to-date insights. Connecting Yahoo Finance to Excel offers numerous benefits, from tracking a single stock to managing an entire portfolio. You can build sophisticated models, visualize trends with charts, and make informed decisions based on current data. While Power Query is robust, you can also manually download data as a CSV file for quick imports or explore third-party Excel add-ins that offer specialized functions for even more streamlined data retrieval.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.